Embark on the future of agriculture with the top 5 modern technologies. Precision agriculture leads the way with satellite-guided tractors and crop monitoring drones. Vertical farming systems maximize space while autonomous tractors reduce labor. Crop monitoring systems provide real-time data and smart irrigation systems ensure water efficiency. These innovations prioritize sustainability, higher yields, and environmental responsibility in farming. Autonomous tractors. Autonomous tractors, also known as driverless tractors or self-driving tractors, are cutting-edge agricultural vehicles equipped with advanced technology that allows them to operate without direct human intervention. These tractors utilize a combination of sensors, GPS systems, and computer algorithms to navigate fields, perform tasks like planting and harvesting, and optimizing farming operations. Key features of autonomous tractors include precise path planning, real-time monitoring of soil and crop conditions, and the ability to adapt to changing terrains. They enhance farming efficiency by reducing the need for human labor and providing data-driven insights for optimal crop management. Autonomous tractors are a significant advancement in modern agriculture, contributing to increased productivity, reduced operational costs, and sustainable farming practices. Combine harvesters. Combine harvesters, often referred as combines, are essential agriculture machines designed to efficiently harvest, thresh, and clean various crops, primarily grains such as wheat, corn, and soybeans. These versatile machines have revolutionized farming by significantly reducing the labor and time required for harvesting. Key features of combine harvesters include a cutting platform or header at the front to cut and gather the crop, a threshing mechanism to separate grain from the stalks and husks, and cleaning systems to remove debris. Some modern combines are equipped with advanced technology like GPS and yield monitoring to optimize harvest operations. Combine harvesters are crucial for large-scale commercial farming, allowing farmers to complete the harvest quickly and efficiently. They've become an integral part of modern agriculture, enhancing productivity and ensuring food security by efficiently processing the crops. Vertical farming systems. Vertical farming systems are innovative agricultural methods that enable the cultivation of crops in vertically stacked layers or in vertically inclined surfaces, often within controlled indoor environments. These systems leverage advanced technology to create optimal conditions for plant growth, including precise control over light, temperature, humidity, and nutrient level. Key features of vertical farming systems include the use of hydroponic or aeroponic systems, which provide plants with water and nutrients without soil. LED lighting is often used to mimic natural sunlight, and the vertical arrangement maximizes space utilization. These systems are designed to conserve water, reduce the need for pesticides, and minimize the environmental impact of traditional farming. Vertical farming is gaining popularity as a sustainable solution for urban agriculture, offering year-round crop production, reduced land use, and the potential to grow fresh produce closer to urban centers, reducing transportation costs. These systems play a crucial role in addressing food security and sustainable agriculture in densely populated areas. Smart irrigation systems. Smart irrigation systems are advanced and automated solutions used in agriculture and landscaping to efficiently manage the watering of plants, crops, and lawns. These systems utilize technology to ensure that water is distributed in a precise and controlled manner, reducing water and promoting sustainable water usage. Key features of smart irrigation systems include moisture sensors, weather data irrigation, and programmable controllers. These components work together to monitor soil moisture levels and weather conditions, allowing the system to adjust watering schedules and durations accordingly. Some systems can be controlled remotely via smartphones or computers. Smart irrigation systems provide numerous benefits, including water conservation, cost savings, and healthier plant growth. By delivering the right amount of water at the right time, these systems help prevent overwatering and underwatering, which can lead to plant stress and disease. They are a valuable tool in promoting water efficiently in agriculture and landscaping. Agricultural drone technology. Agriculture drone technology, also known as agriculture drones or AG drones, is a transformative tool used in modern farming practices. These drones are equipped with various sensors and cameras that provide farmers with valuable data for monitoring and managing crops and lands. Key components of agriculture drone technology include GPS systems, multispectral or hyperspectral cameras, and thermal imaging sensors. These drones can collect data on crop health, soil conditions, irrigation needs, and pest infestations. This data is then analyzed to make informed decisions about crop management. Agricultural drones offer several advantages such as increased efficiency, reduced labor costs, and improved crop yields. They allow for targeted applications of pesticides and fertilizers, helping to monetize environmental impact and promote sustainable farming practices. These drones are increasingly being adopted in the agriculture industry, enhancing precision farming and helping farmers make data-driven decisions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button to support us make more videos. See you in the next videos.